Tamas is here from Easy Automator. With this tutorial, I would like to show you how you can use the Remove Redundant Waypoint feature of us even more effective. So, if you can remember, I recommended you that you are always doing a backup file because this method is quite experimental. Here is a beta method, so I still recommend you to make a backup, but I will show you how you can do all of the iterations within one robotic file. So basically, I will just start this program that you can see that this is the original recording. I'll just come back into the home position with the robot. So here you can see a lot of targets, a lot of waypoints. This is a freehand process. The teach pen was attached directly to the coating gun, and the powder coating gun was moved around during the processing. So this is absolutely fair. This is a normal manual movement as it should look like during a recording process. Okay, so what I would like to recommend you that we are just doing some additional iterations, but within one robotic file. And how to do this? So this is my original one. I don't want to modify this, but with normal copy and paste. So either you can copy it here from the edit menu with copy and paste. I will just use Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So I just select the program, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, and Ctrl V. Now you can see all of them has the same name. So either right click and rename, or you can just use simply the F2. I will try a version with 1 millimeter. I will try a version with 5 millimeters, and I will try a version with 15 millimeters as a D parameter. Okay, so what I recommend you that you just select, for example, the top of the tree. That means once we start, the remove redundant waypoints, which is depending on the version is under the raw path track or Easy Automator app in the Afterwork tools. So remove redundant points. I just start this, and you will see that the program or the Easy Automator app will ask you on which program do you want to make the changes or apply the changes. If you would have already selected one of the programs, then this would apply automatically directly on the program. I do not like it. I use it always, so I know right now, okay, this is the 1 millimeter where I want to try the 1 millimeter parameter. So the D will be 1 millimeter. Bam. And then we just have to wait for that the program is going completes the operation. Once we see, okay, these are the targets and the number of the deleted, I can hit OK. Right now we are ready. Okay, next one. Still, the top of the tree is selected, so I will get the pop-up window to choose on which program. Now I will try the 5 millimeters. So I just enter 5 millimeters. We just have to wait. I mean, we are computing 1600, more than 1600 points. And here you can already see the differences, the first differences between the paths. But we don't give up in the middle. We just complete it with the 50 millimeters that we can really compare which parameter would be the best setup for our purpose in this case. So I just hit the 15 millimeters and I enter the 15 millimeters D parameter here, and we are just waiting that the program computes automatically for us the removement of the redundant waypoints. So this is okay. So what we can do right now, if we come with the right click, then we can see that with the F7 we can display or hide the path. So I will do this. And the only path, the first path is the original program. So I just show and hide. Yeah, with 1 millimeter. So some slight improvements here are done, but this is not really what we are doing. So I'm coming to the 5 millimeter. Oh yeah, okay. So here we can see a far more bigger difference. So if I hide the original one, but you can see, please, um, so you can see that the here we had always a kind of rounding, and this was disappearing with the 5 millimeters. Um, just to see the difference, so with the 15 millimeters, yeah, we are just getting this kind of triangle forms. I'm not sure if it's the right one what we need. So I would do one more iteration step between 1 and 5 because these were the two best. So I'm just copy paste again, and I'm just rename it to 3, for example. If I would let it the selection on the program, then I could skip the selector at the very beginning, but I want to make it with the selector that I don't mess up anything. So this is the program what I want to manipulate, and I want to apply here the 3 millimeters for as a D parameter. So and just let's see how it looks like. Yeah, okay, right now it's ready. And yeah, this is coming quite near to the original one. So just here you can see even the difference. I think this might be even technologically a very good point. So I would say, okay, all of the rest we do not need. This one we do not need, so I can remove them. I can delete these programs. And this one would be which I would like to generate as a robot program, and I would like to use for further optimization. For example, if you want to align the waypoints or something like this one. I hope it helped you a lot, and you can see how easily and fast you can navigate through with the Easy Automator app, and within a couple of minutes you can really find the best technological parameter for your processes, and without any kind of programming skills. If you have questions or feature requests or any kind of remarks, comments, please let us know.